So I haven't been active on YouTube lately, and I apologise for that. But I do have some news. I've been a busy boy for the past week or so, and you're about to see why. But I'm very proud and very happy with the way things have gone. So yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and yeah, let's get into my setup. Right, so we get into the fun part. Now I'm going to go through how much all of this actually costed altogether, and how much they cost individually, and so on, and where you can buy them for your own gaming setup. So you're going to go one by one. So first up we have the Razer Deathadder. Elite. This is currently going for around about £60, I think. Same from Amazon and also Razer itself. You can get it from around about £60. So I'm gonna put the price in a corner here and see how much it's gonna rally up. Then we move on to the keyboard. Now the keyboard is currently Blackwidow, which is Chroma version 2, which I currently have, which is currently going for £120 roughly. All the money is in Great British pounds, so if you want to change that to American dollars or whatever, you can do so on Google, but for now it's in a corner. We then move on to the Google Nest, which you don't exactly need to know. It's not exactly crucial for your bloody gaming setup, but you know, it helps having something to mess around with, I guess. So yeah, that goes for roughly about £25. So then we are currently looking at my gaming mouse mat, which I currently ordered, which is probably one of the nicest mats I've currently bought. It's quite cheap. You can get it from Amazon. It roughly goes up for about £13, I think. The size is quite big, the size it has on Amazon anyway. But yeah, I kind of wanted a big mouse mat, you know, to take over the entire desk with a keyboard and mouse. And surprisingly, this fit actually perfect. So yeah, I'm kind of glad with this purchase. Then we currently move on to the headset. Headset I'm currently using is Razer Kraken, which is currently one of the most popular headsets out there. For a good price, I would say it's roughly going for about £70 at the moment. I think I got it from either Razer themselves, or I think I bought them from Amazon as well. Yeah, reasonable price, and I would say one of the best headsets I've owned so far. It comes with an audio jack. You can mess around with all of the bass, the surround sound, the volume, all of that. Go check it out if you want a new headset, but it also has a mic within the headset himself, so that's them. Then we move on to these little speakers that I have on either side of my desk. Now these are really good speakers that I actually bought for the price. The sound quality is quite sharp, quite crisp, got good bass, good sound volume, everything like that. Easy to use, easy quality, just plug in and boom, set up. Yeah, these are currently bought for around about £30 off Amazon. Quite cheap, not gonna lie. And they actually look quite clean as well with the white, so check them out. Then we move on to my mic that I've used for years on YouTube. It's one of my favorite mics that I've ever used. I'm currently using the Blue Snowball. It's quite cheap to buy from Amazon, from Currys, whatever site you want to use. It's roughly going for about 50 odd pound, give or take 60, but that is how much it is for the mic. It comes with a nice little three-legged tripod stand, but I bought an arm with it, obviously with a filter to make it a bit more professional. With them added on, it's an extra 20 quid, so extra £20 in a corner. But now we move on to the big boy stuff. So I currently have a 3 monitor setup. They're all curved, all 24 inch, and they're all 144 hertz. Perfect for gaming, 144 hertz, so smooth, so quick. Response rate is 1 millisecond. You won't even notice it, so it's unreal to think about. But they're currently going for £170 at the moment per monitor. So 3 monitors, price in a corner altogether. That is how much I paid for my 3 monitors. Yeah, it kind of hurt my bank, buying all 3 of them all at once, but gotta say, one of the best monitors I've owned so far. Now we move on to what I am currently sitting on, which is the gaming chair. Now I am gone for the most popular gaming chairs out there, that all the big brands, mainly because this actually done the job. It's currently going for around about £80, 80 Great British pounds in a corner. Yeah, it's I gotta say, it's, for the money, it's exactly the same as all the big brands out there. It's the leather is full quality, the cushions are full quality. It can also recline all the way back as well, just like all of the other ones. So yeah, personally, you can't go wrong with the price for the gaming chair, so £80. Then, last but not least, but obviously the PC is after this, but we have my gaming desk. Now the gaming desk, I didn't go for the regular sort of desk you see most YouTubers have, which is, flat, curved, whatever you want to do. I kind of went for this, what I call Parisoft setup gaming desk workstation, right? So obviously it has shelves on shelves, it has cupboards, drawers, everything a gamer sort of dreams of. It's just so much space, so much working space to use. I'm in love with it. So and it also comes with a free LEDs with it. So currently going for about £270. Now the original price is £360, so you're saving yourself around about £100 if you go and buy it now. I'm going to put the links in the description for all of these you can get if you want to buy yourself. Check it out, go in the description, click on the desk. I think the desk I got it from was familywindow.com, something like that. Yeah, well worth the price. Comes obviously in 2 different boxes. You have to put together yourself. All the screws comes with it. Not gonna lie, it wasn't exactly enjoyable putting it together, but when it did go together, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. My PC. Tonight. So obviously my PC is roundabout going for, say, about £1,000. I will get the specs up for you right now if I can manage to find them. But all the specs will be in the description anyway if you want to have a look. So have a look at them. But that's what I have at the moment. I have plenty more specs here. If you want to have more of a look, go in the description down below. Have a read. Also hit the like button. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button. Hopefully we can climb up this YouTube platform and smash YouTube in the face. But yeah, hit that notification bell also. Also drop a comment into the comment section down below. What would you like to see me do to this gaming setup to improve? If you have any tips to make it look sick, then please leave a comment, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Adios.